today's lesson add in navigation bar inside the UI bar button. So I have already created navigation view. Is our previous video UI navigation controller. So today's is added navigation bar button. So this is the title is switched, and first of all is search button. So UI bar button item. So this is a bar button system item. So select this and go to search icon. Is the numbers of default provide. This is a post, random, save, search, stop, trust. But this used search and target as a self and selector. So create selector, copy the function object is the function, click search and adding some this and navigation item. So right side single item use added right bar button item on multiple added items. So right bar button items. So adding some inside array search button and run our project. So this added our button but not any print value. So add search and run again. So this is print search. This is add bar button, but I have added in left side. So this changing name is add changing add copy and paste search is add and this add. So copy and pasted here. So navigation item left side is the navigation button items written is error type. So select this and add button and run. So adding this add button icon and this click to print this add and another right side icon like as a camera. So copy this and camera and click and copy camera and adding this and add append new element camera button. So as per order to change position, sorry, icon is change camera. So this adding camera. So click to print camera and changing order. Currently this is first camera and second search as per your position array. So changing this order. So change our position in navigation bar. So first search and second camera and this another this menu button. So UI bar button item, the numbers of is the default icon use. This is a custom image view is size default is 30 or 25 pixel and as title as per your custom. So I am used title. Adding menu type is a plain type and target as a self and selector. So copy and paste menu and this is a menu, copy and paste here is the menu button and adding some new append value is add button and left side. So run our project. Watch this menu add is left side. So click this menu and changing this whole button color. So navigation controller, so navigation bar dot tint color is the default is a link color, but I am changing as the red. So change all button color is the red. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.